Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll talk about a common but distressing situation that we experienced just a few days ago here with my Papillon Big. He stepped on a bee in our backyard. I did not see it happen, but I could certainly hear it. Big was walking by some bushes that attract bees, so when he started yelping and would not put his hind leg down, I was pretty sure I knew what happened. In this video, I'll review steps you should take if this happens to your dog. Let's dive into what you need to do to help your dog feel better. First, it's important to recognize if your dog has been stung. Since I'm in rattlesnake country and we have had them in our backyard, I had to investigate fully. Common signs include sudden yelping, licking at the area, swelling of the face or legs, or limping if the sting is on a paw. You might think that they hurt themselves playing, as they often won't bear any weight on the affected leg. With a snake bite, you may or may not see the snake. The swelling is usually more dramatic, and there may be visible punctures. It's always best to check in with your vet if you are unsure, because it's important to get treatment as soon as possible after a snake bite so that you have a better outcome. If you suspect your dog has been stung, the first thing to do is stay calm. Before you check for a stinger, make sure your dog feels safe. If your pup is anxious, it might be best to wrap them in a towel and have someone help hold them gently but securely. You can try to distract them with treats if that helps them stay still. Now let's talk about checking for the stinger. If your dog is in distress and could bite you, it's better to contact your vet for guidance. If your dog is cooperative, carefully part the hair and look for swelling or redness. The stinger is only a few millimeters and it is attached to a tiny sac which has the venom. If you do find the stinger and sac, swipe it away with a credit card. Try not to squeeze the stinger and sac when you remove it, as this could release more irritating venom into the tissue. Big's reaction was not as severe and he was treated at home. Applying ice is a great way to reduce swelling and soothe your dog's discomfort. Just make sure to wrap the ice in a cloth to protect the dog's skin. You can also use a bag of peas, which I did in this situation. Apply it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Administering Benadryl is another effective step. Check in with your vet for advice while you keep a close eye on your pup for any signs of an allergic reaction, such as swelling of the face, difficulty breathing, or vomiting. Your vet may recommend additional treatments or monitoring. The dose of diphenhydramine or Benadryl is about 1 milligram per pound of body weight. Always consult your veterinarian for the correct dosage for your dog's weight. A good idea is to ask them at a wellness exam what dose they would recommend for your dog's unique situation and write it on the bottle. A severe systemic reaction happened to my little dog Star a few years ago when she stepped on a bee. She had a severe reaction which looked much different. She's pretty stoic. She did not yelp at all. She would not put weight on her leg, the one that she'd been stung, but she vomited pretty quickly and her face began to swell rapidly, and it was time to race to the vet clinic and not be looking for a stinger. We got to a nearby clinic where she was given an injection of Benadryl instead. This is a great thing, a little jar of baby food for them to lick. When you're doing anything, you can explore an area and look for a stinger. But in this case with her reaction was more of a systemic, almost like an anaphylactic reaction. And if your dog has that happen to them, you better get in touch with your vet right away. Remember, your dog's safety and comfort are the top priority. Big and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or personal experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more pet care tips. Until next time.